Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new conversation. Conversation number 3. This conversation in between grandfather and granddaughter.
Hi grandfather, how are you?
I am fine, my daughter. Where had you been?
I had gone for my classes. Where are you coming from, grandfather?
I had gone to the market to get vegetables. The bag is heavy. Can you carry this bag for me?
Sure, why not? Why did you alone? You should have waited for me.
I thought you might get late, so I went alone. If you like this conversation,
Please like, share and subscribe. For more conversations, visit the channel.
thanks for watching video. Stay tuned.